guys, I love you. See you just now. Coming back from retirement, Darren.
Yeah.
We are at the Kamberg Classic. First time riding this event. Super stoked and excited for some new trails. It's been a long time. 50 kilometers of pure Kamberg bliss, eh? Cannot wait. What a jewel. Woo, Nathan. What a jewel, Nathan. Let's go. Check out this. This is so lekker. Flowy single tracks through the forest. Check it out. Oh, watch the front brakes, Darren. 30 kilometers down, eh? 30 in, Darren. 20 to go. Good to be back on it, eh?
Yeah.
Better hold on, eh?
Hey, gotta keep it in the rails. Yeah, I almost fell out as well.
Bringing it home, hey boys? There we are. Look at that, eh? Boys bringing it home. Yes.
Well on to the next lot of finishers. Well done, guys.
Made it, eh?
My bum's sore.
Well done.
My legs are tired, but I'm good.
50 Ks, knocked it out. Hey Darren?
Yeah, easy, man.
All the way from the UK, imported back again.
So easy,
Just to rip up the South African trails.
I thought they were going to challenge me, but yeah.